Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you our best Tietoc chainsaw. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Tietoc Chainsaw, 6-inch mini electric chainsaw, cordless, battery powered. Handheld saw for wood/trees trimming, tools for household and garden, chainsaw gift for men, dad, husband, father's gardener 2025. Brand, Tayatak. Power source, battery powered. Horsepower, 880 watts. Item weight, 3.3 pounds. Chain length, 6 inches. Chain speed, 28.6 feet per second. Awesome cutting power, gardener friendly. Super mini chainsaw is equipped with 880 watts high power motor, manganese steel chain and auto oiler system. Cut 6-inch branches with no effort, like a hot knife through butter. Smoothly cutting thicker pieces of wood that other chainsaws struggle with, make easy work of tree trimming, camping and gardening. Every homeowner needs it. With the cordless chainsaw, you will save so much money trimming garden yourself, rather than paying someone to do it. Not intimidating, woman-friendly, slim and lightweight, only 3.3 pounds, 25% the weight of a bulky larger gas chainsaw. Easy to handle and work like a champ, friendly to the elderly, women, arthritis patients. So much easier to use over a full-size chainsaw, you don't have to drag around an electrical cord. Number 2. Tietoc Mini Chainsaw, 6-inch chainsaw, cordless, 880W powerful electric handheld chainsaw with automatic oiler, with 2 batteries and 2 chains, tree trimmer, gardening tools, gift for men, father, dad. Upgraded 880W high-efficiency pure copper super motor. Tietoc 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw boasts an upgraded 880W copper motor with 28.6 feet per second chain speed, cutting a 6-inch log in just 8 seconds. Fast, powerful, and efficient for both home and outdoor work. Automatic chain oiling system. This Tietoc mini chainsaw cordless comes with a built-in automatic oiling system, compatible with any standard chain oil. Simply fill the tank once and enjoy all-day lubrication without carrying extra oil. The system reduces chain wear, ensures smoother cutting, and improves efficiency while extending the tool's lifespan. 2 high-capacity rechargeable batteries. Tietoc electric chainsaw is equipped with 2x21V 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries with a charge level indicator, providing extended runtime for longer use. The overload and temperature protection systems help maximize battery life. 5 layers of safety protection. 1. Security lock prevents accidental activation. The security lock and start button need to be pressed simultaneously for the chainsaw to start. 2. Safety baffles prevent the wood chips from splashing. 3. Equip with anti-cut gloves, protect your hands. 4. Equip with an anti-slip texture handle, making you grip the mini chainsaw tightly. 5. Equip with goggles, protect your eyes from sawdust. Only for your safe work. Number 3. Portable electric chainsaw. Tietoc mini chainsaw, 6-inch cordless, small handheld battery-powered super saws, gifts for men, women, birthday gift for dad, father's husband, him, her, mom, mother's grandparent. 2 large capacity batteries, equipped with 2x2000 mAh removable and rechargeable batteries, easy to install, it just slides on. The cordless mini chainsaw will finish all your cutting, even in the field. Charge level indicator of the battery. Some other mini chainsaws do not have that, makes you know when it's time to charge it, and self-overload and temperature protection provide batteries much longer life. Number 3. Mini chainsaw, 6-inch chainsaw. 2-pack 2000 mAh batteries, seniors friendly portable handheld chainsaw, mini chainsaw cordless for wood cutting, tree trimming, DIY projects, gardening, camping. 6-inch mini chainsaw cordless. This chainsaw is engineered for people busy with gardens, farms, or DIY projects. This chainsaw trims branches or vines, clears bushland, and cuts wood, bamboo, or poly pipes. This mini chainsaw enables fast and easy assembly in 1 minute, requiring no screwdriver. Our PE material carrying case makes it easy for you to store our mini chainsaw effortlessly. Powerful motor, efficient cutting. The chain is made of 65 Mn steel with high strength, hardness, elasticity, and wear resistance, while the deep quenching process further enhances its performance to ensure clean and smooth cuts. An 850W pure copper motor drives the chain at 39 feet per second and delivers faster and more efficient cuts, cutting 6 inches branches in 5/15s. Number 4. Mini Cordless Chainsaw Kit. Upgraded 6-inch one-hand handheld electric portable chainsaw, 21V rechargeable battery operated, for tree trimming and branch wood cutting by new hewing. Efficient operation, only takes about 10 seconds to cut a log with a diameter of 5 inch, the specific value varies with the actual size and hardness of the wood. Large capacity battery pack, 21V removable and rechargeable battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss after charging. One-hand use, due to its lightweight and soft anti-slip handle, women are easy to operate and will not be tired after working for a long time. Upgraded copper wire high-efficiency motor, provides your tool with longer runtime, more torque, and more power, which leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the tool. 2PCS high wear-resistant chains, adopts a high-quality guide chain that has undergone a deep quenching process to ensure smoother cutting and more wear resistance. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.